When building applications, we store various application configurations in app setting files and use those values in different places of our applications. Using the options pattern, you can easily load all your application configurations into classes and start using your application settings from those instances. So let's head over to Visual Studio and start building the application. As you can see now, I'm in Visual Studio and I have created a ASP.NET Core Web API project. The first thing you need to do is you need to install a Nuget package named Microsoft.extensions.options.configuration extensions. So let's install that Nuget package. So I'm going to select dependencies and click on manage Nuget packages. So this is the package that we want. The package name is Microsoft.extensions.options.configuration extensions. So I'm going to install that to our application and click OK. Then I'm going to navigate inside my app settings file and I'm going to remove the entire section and paste in a new section. We have a property named CRM settings, and within that CRM settings property we have two other properties, request timeout and max tries. So I clicked on the options folder and I'm going to add a new class. Let's name the class CRM settings options.cs and hit enter. So then I'm going to create two properties inside this class to hold the values from the application configuration. We have request timeout property, which is the int property, and we have the max tries property. If you look at the app settings also, the names are similar, request timeout, max tries. So then what you need to do is you need to navigate inside your startup class and configure the options. So I'm going to paste in few lines. We need to import this class, so I'm going to click on this and import. This is how you bind your configuration sections into your custom classes. So during the runtime, it will pick the values inside this particular configuration section and load those values into this custom class. Go inside the controller, the weather forecast controller, and I'm going to get rid of all this code and I'm going to paste in a private property named settings, and I need to import this and create a constructor and copy few lines into the constructor as an argument. I need to import this I options as well, so I'm going to click on this and import that. Using the value property of the setting class, you can access all your configurations. So let's do that now. Underscore settings equal settings dot value. So then I'm going to paste in a simple action, which is HTTP GET action, and that action is simply reading the request timeout and the max retries from this instance. Create a breakpoint and run our application. Okay, then let's inspect the properties to see whether we got the correct values. For the request timeout, as you can see in the screen, we got the value 30, and for the max retries we got the value 3. So if we go to the app settings and check the value, it should be 30 and 3. Yeah, so in the app settings also the values are 30 and 3. So that's about the demo. Thank you for watching.